Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our second day's work on money. Today, we're going to be recapping what the coins look like, and then you're going to be making the value of coins in 1p's based on whatever coin we get together. Okay, so you're going to need whiteboards and whiteboard pens for the starter, and you're going to need a set of money, set of coins, either play coins or real coins. Real coins will be better. Okay, so once you've got all that together, we'll get started. Okay, so our starter today is recognizing the value of these. Now, if you remember, this here, this line is the same as a 10 bar, as is that one. This is the same as a 1 cube. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 there. And what I'd like you to do would be to write 17 in the value. So that's all you're going to do. I'm going to pause the video now, and when you're ready, we'll go through them. And grown-ups, don't worry too much if these last few need a help. Okay? So welcome back, Year 1. So this one here is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sneaky, isn't it? Because although it is angled differently, it's the same as the first one. This next one's 12. Next one after that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, another 7. It's keeping you at 17, keeping you on the balls. And this one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now this next one is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 29. And this next one, this is tricky because it's beyond our normal counting, but it's 10, 20, 30, and then it gets quite easy. 31, 32. Now this one's quite tricky because there aren't any ones. So it's 10, 20. So we put 2 for the tens, and then we put a 0 as a place value holder. And can you guess what this last one is? I bet you did, and that is it's 3 tens, no units, so it's 30. Brilliant work. Okay. Have a look at these coins hidden by the different shapes. And what we're going to do is you're going to work out what each one is and tell your grown-up as I slowly point and reveal to it. Okay, just like we did in yesterday's plenary. So to start with, we're going to look at what's underneath the green semicircle. So tell your grown-up as soon as you know what it is. Brilliant, I bet you got that. That's a pound. Now we're going to do the turquoise triangle. Got it yet? There we are, that's a 20p. Now we're going to do the turquoise circle. Go down. Got it yet? Brilliant, a tuppence, 2p. Now the purple rectangle. Make that a bit hard, doesn't it? Going down, going down, going down, going down. What is it? That's right, it's the £2. It's the biggest coin we have in the English currency. Okay, what about the green rectangle, green square? Any ideas? It's big. It's not the 20p. It must be the 50p. Brilliant. And under the heart, it's the last but one silver coin. Brilliant. 5p. We're going to do the star next. Can you remember what the other silver coin is? It's a bit of a clue you could have seen peeking through. What do you reckon? That's right. It's a 10p. So what is the last coin? That's right. It is 1p. Brilliant work. Okay, now Zog's got a challenge for us today, which I'm going to show you, and then it's over to you. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to work in pairs. One of your pairs is going to have to be a grown-up at home, probably, or somebody else in your family. You're going to choose 2 coins that are not a 1p. So, for example, you could have that, and you could have another one of them because they're not 1p's. So now you need to work out how much that is worth. So that's 2p and 2p. So that's 4p. And then you need to make it using 1p coins. So you're going to need a fair few up to 1p coins. If necessary, grown-ups, you can just draw these 1p coins. So what we then could put, if we wanted to be clever, is put an equal sign, because 4p, and we could write down the value, it's the same as 4p. So let's just have a go at one more of these. Okay, this time we're going to use 5p and a 2p. So what we're doing is we're writing 5 plus 2, which equals 7p. And you may want to jot this down to help you, or you may want your grown-up to help you with this. So then how many 1p's do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Brilliant. So we now know that 7p equals 7p. So we could, again, if we wanted to, if we were using whiteboards or paper, we could take equals that. Okay? And that's all there is to the challenge. If you want to make the challenge a bit easier, use one of the other coins and just a 1p. If you want to make the challenge a bit harder, use more than 2 coins. You could use 3 or 4 coins. Okay? And just play that for as long as you want. And then when you finish that, Zog's got a question for you to answer. So pause the video now, and when you're ready to finish the lesson, start it again. Right, try to explain to your grown-up why humans don't just have 1p coins. Pause the video, and when you're ready, Zog will give you some ideas some ideas that he has observed. Okay, so what did you reckon? Well, let's see if you're right. Zog thinks it's because if you had just 1p coins, it would take ages to count out any value, and they'd be incredibly heavy. Yeah, I know if you pick up one 1p coin, it doesn't weigh very much, but if you were to pick up 100, do you think that weighs more or less than a £1 coin? Brilliant, it weighs quite a bit more. So that's why Zog thinks so. He thinks basically it saves time and saves your strength, so you don't have to lug around hundreds and hundreds of 1p coins. Okay, so that is the end of today's lesson. Got another lesson ready for you tomorrow.